right, we are here at the Train Room. This is the store that started it all for me when I was growing up in Albuquerque, and this place is near and dear to my heart. We're gonna meet Carl Cataline, who owns the Train Room in Cataline Automotive. But yeah, this is what started it all for me back in the early 90s. So let's go in and let's take a look. Hey Carl!
Good morning.
How are you?
I'm doing fine.
And we're here at the Train Room.
Well, welcome.
So introduce yourself and tell us about a little bit about the Train Room.
Well, I'm Carl Cataline. I own the Train Room. The Train Room all started from my granddaughter. We were playing with trains after we had put carpet in this building, and she had not talked to me much before that. She was 4 years old, and when she was watching us play trains, she got down on her haunches and was playing with the trains. And after she got done playing, she decided, Grandma, we need to open a train store. That's awesome. 2 weeks later, we were in business.
That is so awesome. And I've been coming to you since I was a little kid with my mom. You remember Barbara? And I just love this store. I got to say, the cool thing, every time I come over here, I love that you still have that Santa Fe picture. And we're going to do a little store tour today. And you're also getting ready for a big show in Albuquerque, right?
Yes, next weekend. We're having a one-day show at our church.
Oh, and that's right down the road?
Actually, it's over at the Netherwood Church. It's on San Mateo and Indian School Road, just south of the I-40 freeway. All
right. Well, if you're in the Albuquerque area and you want to go to a train show, it's next week. All right. Well, let's get with the show tour. All right. And I miss this place so much. It's where it started for me. And he's getting ready for his show. Now, the original layout Train Room was in here, right?
Yes.
Back in the 90s, and now it's tucked away in this awesome room, the Train Room. All right, let's go in. This is so cool. I'm telling you, like, this is where it started for me in the hobby. Growing up in Albuquerque, there wasn't too many train stores. There was the Train Room. We had Trains West and a couple other places. But yeah, this is the Train Room. Let's get a closer look. So we have like a little layout that you can test your locomotives prior to you buying. Below here we have Z4000. Awesome powerhouse. And I bought a lot of MTH from you, right? Remember, Carl?
Yes, you did.
Yeah, I bought a lot of MTH. And then now, super into Lionel Legacy. And you have some sets up here. Oh, this will be good. For Halloween especially.
Yes.
Halloween's coming up. Did you get a lot of Polar Express 20th anniversary stuff for this year?
I sold 7 sets.
Oh, nice. Awesome. Oh, the Train Room, that's so cool. We're thinking about starting our son off on stuff like this. And Lionel's coming out with a new Thomas the Tank Engine train set that it's cool. The smoking feature is all water vapor. It's a really cool way that they were able to create like a new smoke feature.
That really is a good deal.
Oh, we have some locomotives down here. Some post-war stuff here. And then behind me,
we handle a lot of S-Gauge and Marks, too, along with our Lionel.
Wow. Oh, there's a nice set box up there, too.
Yeah.
War bonnet, yellow bonnet with rail sounds. Now, are you an authorized Lionel dealer as well?
I am.
Awesome. So if you're wanting to order from the new catalogs, contact the Train Room and he'll get you what you need. Do you get a lot of Legacy and Vision Line orders, or not really sometimes? Sometimes. But you can order it.
I can.
That's awesome. Are you MTH dealer as well?
Yes.
Sweet. So he's MTH, Lionel, Atlas too?
I sell a lot of Atlas stuff.
There we go.
Mm-hmm.
Wow. This is just great. I'm telling you, it brings back so many great memories of when I was a kid growing up. and I miss this store so much. It just is so awesome to just be back. It's been about 5 years since I've been here. And so he also carries HO, a little bit of, what's this, Snow Village? Snow Village, but he has tons of fast track, crossovers, more fast track, even some Rail King and MTH. Oh, some template traditions. Nice. You don't see template too much. All right. And then we also have long 30-inch straight fast track. Some more kits down here. All right.
A lot of boxes of S gauge.
A lot of boxes of S. Yeah, so let's see the S gauge too. So, a lot of American Flyer. This is cool. The Western sets that they made were really cool. And then they had the these were so cool, the couplers. My dad, he ended up really getting into American Flyer. He likes the 2-rail now more than the 3-rail. Oh, nice ZW here too. That's a beautiful ZW. Yeah, these, oh my gosh. That has got to be the smallest transformer I've ever seen for model railroading. That's a Marks one. More American Flyer. And then we also have some Real Track as well. That's what started off for me. My mom purchased me an Amtrak set from Carl. Some Gargraves here. Oh, you have cork road bed? Oh, I'm going to buy some cork road bed today. You cannot find it anywhere. All right. Oh, yes. I'm buying a lot of cork road bed today. Awesome. Well, this is great. Man, Carl, I'm telling you, it's so good to be back, and I hope everyone loves this little tour of the train room.
Well, thank you.
Yeah.
It's nice to have you back.
Yeah, so again, this is Carl. He owns the train room. If you're in the Albuquerque area, he's a Lionel dealer, an MTH dealer, and he can get you anything you need. And trust me, this place is the place to be. All right. All right, Carl. Say bye to the camera. Say bye to everybody.
Goodbye, everybody.
All right. Thanks, everybody. Take care.